Hello friends, welcome to Learn1. In previous lecture, we have learned about how to create array in Ruby. Now we will see how to access elements from array. Let me create a first array variable. Suppose array, and I am assigning values from 1 to 5. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have one array variable, that is ARR array, and now suppose I want to access fourth element. I want to access a value 4. So what I need to do is I need to write array and my index. Here I want to access fourth value. So index always starts from 0. So I need to write 3 as an argument to my square brackets, and it will return me a value 4. Suppose I want to access a value in between range. For example, I want to access a value from second position to fifth position. So in this case, I need to write array and my range. For example, I want to access second element till my fifth element. So fifth is my element. For index it will be 4 and I need to write 4. So this will return values from second value to fifth value, and that will return 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how we can access elements in array. In next lecture, we will learn about the methods of array in Ruby.